Welcome back to Jamming in the Repairs. We're back to the Vespa. We're going to finally address the indicator turn signal light that is not working on this bike. The directionals work, but the turn signal indicator does not. So let's fire this thing up and see if it runs, because I have not started this bike in, I don't know, a month at least. He's pulling the choke out right there. I like to sit on it. Oh, baby. I don't think I ever really have to choke this bike. At nighttime it would probably be fine. Alright? We're not going to mess with that. We need to take this cover off, take the light bulb. Here's a screw right here. There's another one right here. Let's get those taken out. Somebody should clean their garage.
Ooh. Think Caitlin would care if I rode her bike?
She would not mind at all. Okay. Another screw. Yep, two more screws back here. All right. To get this off of here, you have to take these cables down here, okay, and shove them up so you can get enough play to lift this up. See if I have enough room off of here now. There we go. All right. I see my ground wire came off. That's not a problem. And that does go to the turn light. Huh. Well, up here. This is the guy we're trying to get out right here. Right there, that guy. We want to get out. Come on, okay, got it. What kind of funky bulb do we have going on here? Oh, great. All right, guess we unplugged the whole thing. Don't tell me I gotta buy this whole unit, because I do not have one of these things. Come on. All right. The question is, will O'Reilly's have that light bulb? No. No, they will not. All right. Well, I guess I have to go get me a light bulb. All right, so here's the plan. I took the light bulb off of the high beam side of the dashboard. I'm going to move it over to the turn signal side of the dashboard because I do not have another light bulb for this. I have to order one, so it's no big deal. But let's see, turn it on here. There we go. So that'll work. I'll have to order me a new high beam bulb. I need to plug in my ground wire. I don't know where this came off of. Huh. Well, I have to take this all apart to put the high beam bulb back into it when I get that part. But I think for now, that is a lot better than not seeing it. So, good. I'm real pleased. Easy fix, no high beam right now. Who cares? I'll order the bulb and put that in. Alright, so this is the part of the video that I screw up and I lose all my audio. But I went on Amazon and I found the right light bulbs for this Vespa, and I'm going to be doing this as a voiceover for a whole bunch of clips on here. The part number for the light bulb is 3898. You can order your own 10-pack. I'll see if I can put a link down in the description for you to check them out. They are really tight bulbs to get in and out of that holder. The bulb you see me holding there is actually the high beam bulb, and I cannot get that bulb out of that socket. Unlike the one that was in the turn signal indicator, the high beam indicator bulb is just really super stuck in there. So I think I went in there and I took that bulb out with the pliers, is I think what I ended up doing here. I'm just going to jam a screwdriver in there, hold it open. You could and probably should unscrew the speedometer cable, and that whole top piece would flop open and make this so much easier to work on. But as it is, there's a lot of farting around, and what I discovered was the holder for the high beam bulb is not the same size as the holder for the turn signal bulb, but the bulbs are the same size, and you can see it there on the left. Underneath the green wire is actually the plug for the high beam. So don't swap them around, it won't work. One of them will fall out, it won't fit. So, alright, I'm going to jump ahead. It's really self-explanatory. You jam a bulb into the socket and you plug your wires back in. It's pretty straightforward. Doesn't require any polarity, just pretty much plug them in the way they came out. Right. Alright, I'm going to do this aimlessly again and take her for a ride. That's what I want to do, damn it. Runs better when it has gas. I hope you can hear me. Yeah, baby. High beam Vespa. Elementary School. Blinker, blinker. Blinker on. Engage. Yeah, Daddy Mikey. Yeah. There you go. Well, that makes riding the Vespa a lot better. Actually runs pretty good when you have the gas turned on. Right. Whoa! Woohoo! Okay. All right. Nighttime Vespa ride. That's pretty good. I sure hope whatever I just shot turned out well. Thanks for watching. We got the lights fixed. I need to adjust the headlight. I'll come back to that when I do the front wheel. So it'll be in a future episode. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Make a comment. Ring the bell. Bye-bye.
Are you done? Knock the shit off, honey.